When times get tough, people don't stop eating, they just get clever. All over the world, history shows us that a handful of cheap ingredients can turn into a meal that keeps families going. These are the struggle meals, survival foods that fed entire nations through wars, recessions, and hard times. And honestly, some of them taste amazing. In post-war Italy, meat was scarce, but pasta was cheap. So people made magic with what they had: spaghetti, garlic, olive oil, and a pinch of chili flakes. That's it. No frills, no fancy sauce, just simple flavors that proved you can be broke and still eat like an Italian nonna. Today, it's a late-night favorite, but back then, it was survival. In Japan after World War II, food shortages meant people leaned hard on the basics. One of the cheapest, fastest meals was tamago kake gohan, hot rice with a raw egg cracked right on top, finished with a splash of soy sauce. Stir it up, and you've got comfort food that costs pennies. Quick, filling, and pure genius. In India, khichdi has been around for centuries, but it became a lifeline in hard times. It's just rice and lentils simmered together with turmeric. Cheap, one pot, and so nourishing that it's fed everyone from poor farmers to recovering patients. When money is low, khichdi is more than food. It's a warm, golden hug in a bowl. Meanwhile in Britain, World War II rationing changed everything. Meat was hard to find, but canned beans were everywhere. Enter beans on toast. It's as simple as it sounds, and somehow, still iconic. Students love it, late-night snackers swear by it, and the British will forever defend it as proper comfort food, call it plain, but it kept people full during the Blitz. In the Philippines, when rice ran low, families stretched it into lugaw, a humble rice porridge flavored with garlic and ginger, sometimes topped with an egg. Just a handful of rice and lots of water turned into a warm, filling dish that could feed everyone at the table. It's still eaten today as comfort food during storms, sickness, or just tough days. In the Middle East, one of the most enduring survival foods is mujadara, rice, lentils, and caramelized onions. For centuries, this was known as the poor man's feast. Lentils provided protein, rice added substance, and onions gave it flavor. It may have started as peasant food, but anyone who's tried it will tell you, it's fit for a king. And in Mexico, survival meant going back to the basics: beans and corn tortillas. Together they make a complete protein, and they were cheap, filling, and endlessly adaptable. This simple pairing has been the backbone of the diet for centuries, fueling civilizations and feeding families through poverty and abundance alike. So what do these meals have in common? They're cheap, they're simple, and they're proof that survival food is also a story of resilience. From garlic pasta in Italy to rice porridge in the Philippines, these dishes tell us that even in the hardest times, people found ways to create comfort from the simplest ingredients. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.